Video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Friday, and yes, I said Friday because we worked so hard this week to sit back, relax, and talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. I don't even know where my sounds are, but I know Grady's like, oh baby, right now. Guys, good morning. Please make sure if you are here, you guys are smashing the like, subscribing to the channel, sharing this stream out with friends, and also checking out our 3 amazing sponsors. Cake Wallet, Market Cipher, use code ZESTY for 15% off, and then head over to Gemini, where you trade $100 in crypto, you get $15 in Bitcoin. Let me put these links in the live chat as well. Boop, doo-doop. Also, I want to say good morning to every single one of you guys. The thing is, though, we have a goal, and what is that goal, my friends? 150 likes and 150 live viewers. And again, I'm excited to get going today. We are in Bitcoin Ben's studio. And before I get into why I wasn't here yesterday, I do want to make sure I spread love first and say good morning to you. Oh, is this too loud? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. We're just going to turn down the gain just a little bit. And then we'll be okay. All right. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Sound check. Baby, it's a sound check. Okay. Yeah, I turned it down on OBS, so we should be good. Let me know, let me know. Oh, we're good. Yay! Okay. All right, let's do this. Let's say good morning to everyone. Again, shout out to the sponsors. I want to spread love to everybody. We got Randy, we got Naren, John Germain, we got John Legend, Black Hat, Amy, nice to see you, Rob C, good morning, my girl Alexandra G. Oh my gosh.
Bruh.
Who else we got? We got Tesla Model Doge, hello. We got Joe Harvey, good morning. Oh, Gio, good morning. Only Randy can save Bitcoin, but she refuses to straighten her hair. It's all her fault.
Bruh. 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 Bruh.
So listen, Gio, we're going to have a beef. Guys, in the chat, do you think I should straighten my hair for the sake of Gio's mental health? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. We got Bullish Bradley in the chat. We got, yeah, this is too much. We got Alex Kaimana in the chat. Kenny Lim says, hi, Randy, market crash now. Do not worry. Do not fret. I am here, my friends. Who else we have? We have Bullduck Eric. We got True. Michael Cartwright. Alberto. Gary Littlemore. Crypto Sherpa, who's actually in studio with us today. I am #honored. And who else? Paper Planes. Good morning. Oh, boy. We have such beautiful icons in the chat today. Wow, you guys are really chatting it up. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you guys for coming. Alvio's here. And if I missed you and I didn't say good morning to you, then you could like yell at me or something. Like, it's totally cool. I won't be mad if you yell at me. I'll just accept my fate at that point. Accept my fate, right, Mayor? Right, Mayor? Everyone's saying that I should not straighten my hair. So, Gio, I cannot straighten my hair because the people say so. Also, guys, we have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers. We're already pamping. And we also have a goal for subscribers this morning. We're at exactly 17,070 subscribers. Let's try to get 17,075 and pump it up. Oh my gosh. I have to know where my sounds are, bruh. We're going to figure this out for next time, but we do have a sound check, though.
The sound check, baby, it's a sound check. I'm gonna check this sweet mic. Why don't you check yourself?
Guys, I am doing good today. I hope that you guys are doing good because
It is what it is.
But also, we're going off this morning. I love what's happening right now. Oh my gosh, what else is happening? Sheesh. Oh my gosh, Michael Cartwright with 5 memberships.
Damn!
Oh, darn. I don't have my alert box up here. Shoot. We'll do that for next time. I'm going to get my alert box. But guys, I absolutely love what's going on right now. I'm very happy. And thank you so much, Michael, for the emojis. Please make sure you put a rain emoji in the chat. Rain, 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 rain. All right, guys, let's get after it this morning. I'm very excited. First, we got to look at the market, man. The market is marketing. And we see, although everything is a little bit shook this morning, Doge is still down that 5%. And I'm curious to see what happens with Dogecoin. You could see that we were almost at that 10 cents, and now we are down to basically 9.5. Wondering what goes down here, wondering what goes down. Also, guys, looking over here, we do have AV that's down 5%, even though they are launching some partnerships. Sweet, 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 sweet. I'm pulling it up for you right there, up 6% today. But guys, we do have a lot to cover. Before I get into the news, though, I do want to look over the market on CoinMarketCap. Boop. Right now, we got Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin right now, $54,000, 557 around, so 54.5. We are looking to break above 56K. 56K is where we really wanted to hold for Bitcoin, but you know what? Things get spicy. You could see this is, I believe, the daily chart from CoinMarketCap, and it's via TradingView. I love this. Okay. So yeah, guys, we were really looking to hold above 56K around right here, and you could see where Bitcoin is struggling at that point. But zooming out, we also know that we are looking for around the 40K range again. If we really do fall below this 50K, let's clone that, bring it down. Again, 47K is a level to watch, and then even farther down, if we're going even more bearish with the situation, is around 40K, 42 right here. I would say around 43.1. And so that's where Geo's looking. Geo's looking for definitely that bearish $40,000. Though this is the range to look at. This is the range to look at, which is, like I said, between right here at 56K and around all-time highs at around 71.1, 71.4. That's the real range that we're looking at. And this is when you zoom out. You have to zoom out on the charts. These are the levels to watch. Even zooming out farther. How has Bitcoin ever really been in this range? No. This is all new. This is new zest. This is new zest for Bitcoin. Over here, that wasn't a lot of time. She needs time to adjust. She's a teenager. She's just learning about life, darn it. So we're going to bring it all back, again, to present day. Boop, boop. And just realize, again, when in doubt, zoom out on the charts. And then you can even feel the spice from a cup and handle. Again, I'm going to make this bigger. Boop. Change the color. Perfect. So you can even look here. You kind of see a cup and handle forming. I know it's a really bad drawing, but still, you guys know my art isn't the best. But I try to be an artiste. But you could see this is a huge cup and handle on the daily. So that's, again, why you're going to zoom out on the charts. When in doubt, zoom out. Put in the chart. 40K isn't bearish. It's all healthy. Oh, Geo. You know, Geo, you just start a lot of problems with me, bro. You do. And I think that we need a little bit of humility. Damn! But if it really does go down to 40K, is that healthy? I mean, you could say maybe 42. 40K right here is kind of where we were a little confused back in the day in January, and then even before that, pretty much from November to January, we were tapping that 40K, and people thought that that was a bull trap for sure, and it was not. But even if we do pull back to that 40K, is it the worst thing in the world? I would say no. Why? Because we need to retrace. Would it be a healthy retrace? I would say maybe yes. Because you could see kind of the peaks and valleys of the last bull market was really around this 47K. So even if we came down to this lower 40 range, it would not surprise me. And maybe it's the retrace we need to pull back and relieve a lot of that selling pressure. And I'm telling you, it would wipe out a lot of the market. People would be PO'd. They would be like, I'm quitting crypto. This sucks. And then they would come back once Bitcoin relieves the selling pressure and makes her way back up. One thing you know about Bitcoin is that when she does have a retrace, those major retraces of, again, 75 to 80+%, that's when she eventually goes back and reclaims the all-time high. It always has happened in the past. That's just the pattern. Am I giving financial advice? Never ever. Have a bullish and a bearish case scenario. And if you feel that a certain spot for Bitcoin is a good spot to buy, then you do it. But also, you could look at the fact that people do like to dollar cost average. Do not forget about dollar cost averaging, my friends. Please. It's one of the most rockiest things you could do in the space.
Oh, baby.
People rather dollar cost average because they know that sometimes looking at moves like this stresses them out. Ranging. Bitcoin has been ranging for over 6 months, and it freaks people out. But this is when you keep calm, you hodl on. If you're dollar cost averaging, then you're just having automatic buys placed. So that way you don't have to worry about if Bitcoin's ranging, if it's pumping, if it's dumping. You're just accumulating as time goes on. And you look at the stats, as we do love those numbers in crypto, and you could do your research on it, that studies show that people that do hodl and dollar cost average are the ones that actually profit the most. And listen, again, your money is your money. So you got to decide what you want to do with it. All right. Hello. No G's in the chat. Oh my gosh. No, hello, my friend. How do you feel about this? Dave Digital is in the chat. We got Crimson in the chat. We love this. Oh my gosh. Hello. Hello, everybody. Dave Digital, where are you? He's asking. I am at Bitcoin Ben's Crypto Club in Sarasota, Florida. I had to take a nice drive. Drove about an hour and a half this morning. We'll drive an hour and a half back home after this. And I did deliver some cookies. Emma, do we have the bag of cookies? Can you pass me the bag of cookies? I did deliver some cookies because I was just like, man, I want to give love. And thank you, Zoltan. So shout out to Zoltan, who just handed me the cookies. Someone said, who's controlling the cameras? It is Zoltan. Zoltan is a beautiful human being that put so much work into this set, hours on hours, and just so much love for him. So much love for you, Zoltan. Oh, you're the best. And so last night, I had a rough day yesterday, and I'll actually talk about that in a moment. But I baked cookies. So I brought oatmeal raisin cookies down to the studio today for all the Bitcoin Ben staff. So I appreciate them very much. So I wanted to show them some love through the real way to show love, which is cooking. But I did want to mention, guys, that yesterday I had a rough one. And I looked at my phone, which I usually do not look at my phone in the middle of the night. But yesterday, around 3 in the morning, I was looking at my phone, and I found out that a really good friend of mine passed away. And I'm not going to cry. I'm going to really try not to cry right now, because I was doing a lot of that yesterday. But yesterday, I found out my friend Julia Love passed away, and she was one of the OG Dogecoiners, one of the OG meme coiners that she's been spreading crypto adoption before most people knew what crypto was. Her and her husband, Gary LaChance, they were a part of the decentralized dance parties, DDPs. So people will go to conferences. I've taken part in DDPs where they just show up, they have a speaker, people follow them, they go down the streets, and they just dance. And people just join them as they walk down the street. It was like a parade of love. And she was really running that parade of love. You know, not every person's path is easy, and hers definitely wasn't. But I don't want to speak too much out of respect for her husband, her family, whatever. But I did put a post out with her, which was the last video we took together, which was in Nashville. And I remember feeling like this feeling in my heart, like I really had to see her. And so we were calling back and forth before Nashville. I went to go see her. And we made like those iconic videos of me and her next to the Bitcoin and Dogecoin Cybertruck. Shout out to Doge tipping with the Cybertruck for Doge. And she was saying in the video she had plans to travel the country with that Cybertruck. It breaks my heart, man. Breaks my freaking heart. I almost said the F word. But yeah, so I was very upset yesterday. And because I found out so early in the morning, I could not possibly get on the stream yesterday. But I knew that I wanted to come on and be like mentally okay for you guys, so I just couldn't do it. You guys already knew when Oval passed away, which another community member within the last 6 months. It just killed me a little bit. Thank you very much. It just killed me a little bit, and I was just like, you know what? There's no way I could go live. Between Oval and her, man, it was too darn much. So yeah, I just had to share that with you guys. And I was gonna do a stream for her yesterday, but I knew that I just couldn't do it. So that's that. And so put Delulu emojis in the chat to honor them. Put Dogecoin emojis in the chat to honor Julia. But I'll miss her so much, and I miss Oval every day. So, okay. Sheesh. So I just wanted to get that out really quick. Sorry about the emotions, guys, but it's fresh. So that was that, and I just wanted to share that with you. So that's why I wasn't there yesterday. I did notify you guys in the Telegram and Discord, so if you're not yet, then be over there in case you need to see some last-minute announcements from me. I kind of took the day off yesterday. I did do the space with ETH Lizards, and it was a ladies-only panel, which really cheered me up a lot. So thank you to the Lizards. Thank you to my co-host, Metamona, and all those ladies, Mama Goat, Wendy O, that was on the stream yesterday. I got some calls from people in the community as well checking up on me, so I appreciate that a lot too. And you guys are family. That's why, like, I tell you guys the truth. I tell you guys how I feel and stuff like that because I'm a person, man, and you guys are people, and we really understand, like, that we're going to have the highs, we're going to have the lows, and at least we get to do that together. So yeah, I just didn't feel like it was right for me to go live yesterday. Just couldn't do it. Had to take a few hours to myself, and that was pretty much it. So yeah, so thank you guys. I appreciate you guys very, very, very freaking much. And nothing makes me happier than being here, and I feel like I'm a lot better now today, and especially because I'm surrounded with really good people. Last night, I just had to bake my heart out, so that's exactly what I did. I hit the gym at 8 o'clock last night. My arms are sore. Arms are sore. But you know what? Like, it's what I needed to do to help me on the right track again. The Hipperites are a cornerstone, you know. Thank you, Michael. Thank you guys very much. I'm going to sip my coffee. Sip your coffee really quick, my friends. But yeah, we made cookies, went straight to the gym after, and that was my night. And then I passed out after that, and I was ready for this morning. But yeah, so that was my day yesterday. So thank you guys for bearing with me and everything and being with me this morning. Let's see how many likes we have so far, and then we'll move into the rest of the charts, and we'll get into the news because we have a lot of news this morning. We have 56 likes, over 70 people watching. Let's pimpin'. I don't even know where it is. Oh my gosh, Alexandra J with a $5 super chat.
Oh, baby. Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate it. She said, keep it up with this. That's actually what I was doing yesterday. Alexandra knows me so well that I was literally doing arms yesterday. Martin, what do I think about the bearish days? I mean, listen, man, I'm not complaining about what's going on with Bitcoin. I'll never complain about what's going on with Bitcoin. I mean, listen, man, you could look right here. Like, does this chart really look that bearish to you? This is a range that we're supposed to be in right now. This is a normal range. Even again, you could drop down to down here around 47K. And is that going to bother me in the slightest? Absolutely not. We need to wipe out people that have all these liquidations. We need to just wipe everyone out. That's it. That's it. And if people get mad that I said that, then that's fine. But you're in the game. You can't hate the player. You got to hate the game. And people understand that there's going to be rapid movements in this market. And the real volume, again, you can look at the volume. It's really not even here yet. And I think you could probably see it. Hold on. Let me see if I can make this better looking. You can even see it right here on CoinMarketCap. This volume, man, right here, 2022, going into 2020, the volume is near zero right now. Near zero. And you're complaining about where Bitcoin's at? You were surprised Bitcoin's even moving with this lack of volume. Let's get real. Let's get real. So I'm not upset at all, Martin. When in doubt, zoom out on the charts. We're still up over 100% in the past year. So you can't be greedy when it comes to Bitcoin, because once you get greedy with her, she'll slap you in the face. Now, also going back to CoinMarketCap, we got Ethereum this morning. We're going to pull up that chart again because that was freaking fire. Thank you, CoinMarketCap. So we got Ethereum this morning that it's not really a cup and handle, but like you could be delusional and say it is to give you some hope. However, we know it's not. It's going to be okay. So yeah, we're going to get after it. Also, guys, we are raving today. So if we get that 150 likes, we're going to rave in studio. So make sure you guys are ready for that. Make sure you guys are ready for that. 150 likes is a rave. So, all right, guys, moving on. So I'm creating like a little mini chart right now. Boop-a-doo-doo-doo. So really what we're looking at is around $2,100 is our bearish scenario. But even below that, I was looking and telling you guys about around $1,800, because around $1,800 is where we've had a lot of selling pressure in the past. And when we lost footing at around 1,800, we fell to around 1,500 and made our way back up. So I think Ethereum definitely needs some work when it comes to the price action. Even again, zoom out on the charts. Look at the volume. Where is the volume? Tell me. It's non-existent, my friends. It's non-existent. So if you're worried about price action, I wouldn't be, because once real money comes into the market, things are going to change. Your bearish level to watch again is around that 1,800. Right now, we're neutrally looking at 2,200, and I would even say lower, around 21 is where I would really like to hold on to. It's about 2170-ish. Bullish, though, 2770 always comes about. You even look in the past, 2770, when you held the support, you made your way to the golden zone, which is around $3,500. That's what we're ready for. That's what we're ready for, and I hope you guys are ready to rave and some price action. But that's really what I'm watching for Ethereum, and I'm hoping that we have a bullish weekend, or at least a neutral weekend. It seems as though lately the trend has been to pump on Sundays, which you would think is the opposite. Why would you pump on Sundays? No one's awake. Meh. But you know who's awake? The blockchain, because the blockchain's 24/7, 365, and we don't care about 9 to 5. We don't care about Monday through Friday. Meh, meh, meh. But yeah, and then we did, someone's bringing that up too. Fox Phoenix, that volume spike in August on ETH in August. Yeah, that's true. Right here, this wick. But the thing is, that was a lot of bearish volume. But when was the last time we had any sort of volume that high? Back here in November 2022, which I like to call nap time, around the collapse of FTX. That's the last time we had real volume, was down here. So I'll tell you right now that real volume is not here. And you could look, and the most volume we had was back in 2020, 2021, and even farther back if it let me go that far, which is 2017. Can we go back? No, it's not letting me. But you can even go back, scroll. Darn, CoinMarketCap doing me dirty right now. But if you look back to 2017 and beyond in that little blank space there, you'll definitely see that we had some volume back there too. So volume is not here yet. Even that volume wasn't even that high. So it just gives you a little bit of perspective. What does good volume look like? Good volume looks like this. Back here in 2020, around 2021, beginning of 2021. This is good volume. This is decent volume here. Right here. This is all decent volume. And that was the last time we really saw that for a while, previous to, well, post 2017. So I think we need to see that money flow come in. We haven't really seen that yet. People are like, oh, the institutions this, the institutions that. They haven't even made a mark. And I think that's pretty weak when people are blaming everything on the institutions. The institutions really got nothing on us. They have nothing on retail. As soon as people learn that, the better. The better. We're going to take a look at Litecoin. Okay. Litecoin, number 19 today on CoinMarketCap, sitting here at $64.15 at the moment. Again, what are we looking at? We're looking at $75 is your bullish scenario, and even it zooms back 4 years, $75. And then your bearish is around 65, well, 63. And then even below that is 42. So that's really the range we're looking at for Litecoin. Again, you zoom out and you could see Litecoin's been through it, man. Litecoin has been through it. But you know what? I keep calm. I hodl on. I'm not worried about it. And even you look at Litecoin volume. Litecoin had really good volume in the last bull market. We had a nice spike back here in June of last year. But the volume has not been that high since then. So we're looking at $63 as the bearish 75 as the bullish, but you see the immense selling pressure that is here for Litecoin in that range. So I am letting you guys know that Litecoin is zesty, and I freaking love Litecoin. I'll never stop loving Litecoin. But people sleep. You hear? People are sleeping on Litecoin. Oh no. Because they're
hucksters, hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Oh my God, Laser says, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected elites. That's why it's a long game. So get along and have a fantastic day. I freaking love Piano Maddie B. Like, Piano Maddie B is like absolutely amazing. I don't even know where, darn. I gotta find everything. I'm kind of like all over the place with my sounds. I have to put pictures and everything, but man.
It is what it is. It is.
If you guys actually want to watch Piano Maddie B, then make sure you guys tune in on his channel tonight at 10:30 p.m., right? 10:30 p.m. Eastern. I'm going to grab his channel, Piano Maddie B, because it's a sound check. Baby, it's a sound check.
CZ, Elon Musk, Kevin Tyler, Winklevoss, Michael Saylor, Kathy Woods, Brian Armstrong. We found on Mashinsky lied, Chucky Munger finally died.
So shout out to Piano Maddie B. This is his channel, youtube.com/Piano Maddie B. So please make sure you guys are following him. My mods, if you could do me a slight favor and put that link in the live chat in the description. Gary Littlemore said he tagged me on X. I don't have like my laptop, so my X isn't logged in on this computer, but I could take a look really quick if it loads. Let's see. Oh, okay. He started streaming on Twitch. All right, Gary, can you remind me on Monday to put this link in the live chat, and I will do it for you. I got you. So tag me on Monday in the chat, and I got you. I'll put this link in there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, guys, we do have a lot of news to cover today, and I'm telling you, it is drama filled. And I don't know if you guys are ready. Are you ready for the news? Are you ready for the zest? Are you ready for the education? Please make sure you smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. Let's do this. Hold on. We have 81 likes. Darn it, pamp those up now. Now, pamp it up.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Oh my gosh, I love it so much. This is actually like the best thing ever. I love this show so much, especially because I get to do like crazy things like this. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay. Now, let's see. All right, so we're going to get into the news, like I said. We have a lot, and I'm going to start it off with a bang because we have to pump it up.
Don't you know?
Okay. All right, so let's keep going, guys. We do have first, Donnie T news. Donnie T. Donnie T is going nuts, and it might actually end up relating to Dogecoin. Why, my friends? What does Dogecoin have to do with Donnie T? Well, I'm going to break it down. I'm going to break it down to you. And that's the fact that there's going to be Doge in the government. Hold up. Hold. What? Doge in the government? Well, yes. And you might think it's funny. You might think it's funny. But no. It's not. It's darn serious. And the reason why it's serious is because there's going to be a Department of Government Efficiency Commission. Now I'm going to tell you about what's going on because this is something that is absolutely wild. And you take a look at kind of what RFK was saying he was saying, RFK, that he wants government spending on blockchain. And now, so if you look at what Elon was saying to Donnie T on their X Spaces together, they were saying that, hey, we need to track government spending. We cannot allow these people to just do whatever they want. And we know that our government alone loses billions of dollars every year. Oh, they don't know where it went. Oh my gosh, wait, what happened?
FBI, open up!
I'm sorry. I spent $600 on Venmo. Please.
FBI, open up!
Aren't they so violent? So violent. And I have right here a little Bitcoin pillow. I do. She's comfy. And we also have a Dogecoin pillow. Oh my gosh, this is so bullish. Woof, woof. See, I'm going to cuddle up next to her as we talk about our next story, which is with Elon and tapping with Donnie T. And they should tap dance. I know Donnie T does this little, but I think they should come up with a little tap dance together. I think that would be very cute of them. Now take a look at this, guys. Freaking funny. I crack myself up. Okay, so here we go. We know Donnie T said on Thursday he would establish a government efficiency commission headed by Elon Musk if he wins the marathon on November 5th during a wide-ranging speech in which he laid out his economic visions for the country. This was at the New York Economic Club, where he also pledged to slash corporate tax rates for companies that manufacture domestically, establish a low tax zone on federal lands where construction companies would be encouraged to build new homes, and start a sovereign wealth fund. We see here that Musk, he said it was also the first time Donnie T said Musk had agreed to head the body, but he did not detail how such a commission would operate, besides saying it would develop a plan to eliminate, quote, fraud and improper payments within 6 months of being formed. We see right here, Donnie T told the audience, I will create a government efficiency commission tasked with heading and conducting a complete financial and performance audit of the entire federal government. He said, Musk, on August 19th, in his podcast that he had with Donnie T, that he would be interested in serving on this commission. Now, the question for right now is, how far does Doge go in this? Because Elon posted a little tweety-weety about Doge, a little thing that he was sitting at, and he had Doge, D-O-G-E there, for Department of Government Efficiency Commission. I love that. Because you know what? We need to know where money's going, guys. We need to know where the money's going, and Doge is public. Doge is a decentralized blockchain, proof of work, in fact. So is this Elon's way of maybe using Doge for government spending, even though that would be absolutely wild, wouldn't you think? But this could be bullish news for Dogecoin, especially because Elon wants to propagate Doge and maybe make it become the world reserve currency. Wouldn't that be insane? Even though Doge does not have an infinite supply. Elon knows that this was a joke, but he wants to make it real. He wants to make it legit. He wants it to be a real part of the financial ecosystem. We already know traditional finance has some indexes and things like that that actually do track meme coins. I could grab that for you. I think it was Franklin Templeton meme coin index. Meme coin index. Let me see if I can find information on that. Okay, so if you take a look right here, Franklin Templeton, this is from when? March. We remember that. They went full degen with investor note on meme coins. Looking down here, it said that they had a bulletin titled "The Value Between Meme Coins and Their Native Networks," and noted that meme coin price performance was akin to a meme going viral on the internet since they gained popularity. Doge was the first and largest meme coin by market cap, and said that it created the space for more meme coins. They also included in this index Shiba, Bonk, and a few other ones. I believe Pepe was also in it. So they definitely do have a lot of interest in meme coins. We know that meme coins, they have a large market cap. People are degenning their hearts out. They don't care. They want to make money, and they think that the way to do that is by degenning into meme coins. And then maybe, I think a popular strategy is going all degen with meme coins and then putting that money, their profits, into Bitcoin and other safe assets like that. I mean, is it a risky play? Absolutely. But is it one people are willing to take? Yes. So we have that news with Donnie T and Elon Musk. People are very bullish on that. I think I'm sort of bullish on the fact that we need to track government spending and know where things are going, because we don't have transparency. And we only have the transparency of the IRS sending you a letter when they don't like what you're doing, or you hear just this.
FBI, open up!
And then you get scared. Don't come for me, please. Don't, please. Now, we have right here more Donnie T news, as he is promising to embrace industries of the future, Donnie T, and of course that includes cryptocurrency, that he said he wants to make America the world capital for Bitcoin and for crypto. Is this surprising in any sense of the words I said? No. Why is it not surprising? Because people know that Bitcoin and crypto is inevitable. Donnie T is a smart man. He's a businessman. He knows where money goes. And of course, he has a younger son, Baron T. He is the one that's telling Donnie T, go on these interviews with YouTubers, the right YouTubers, in fact. And then, you don't think little Bear is into crypto? You are darn crazy if you think he's not into crypto. We also have the Donnie T family that's propagating their new platform called World Liberty Financial. You guys could go look it up. They say this is going to be a platform that disrupts the banking and financial system. It has things to do with collateral and whatnot. As Donnie T Jr. stated, that they face financial discrimination where they couldn't get mortgages or they couldn't do certain things because they just weren't liked. And how is that fair? We need to democratize our financial system. We need to decentralize a nice amount of our financial system. There's always going to be something that's centralized, but the means in which we do it has to change. Absolutely. There needs to be checks and balances. There is no checks and balances at the moment. Although Donnie T really wants to, and he promised, to get Liz Warren, Gary Gensler, and the goons away from our crypto or whatever we're playing with, as he says. Take a gander.
This onslaught at lower prices, I'm pledging today that in my second term, we will eliminate a minimum of 10 old regulations for every one new regulation. We'll be able to do that quite easily, actually. And instead of attacking industries of the future, we will embrace them, including making America the world capital for crypto and Bitcoin. This onslaught at lower prices, I'm pledging.
End, which I think is so funny. Look, he's like, yeah, I said that. I said that, sure. Freaking Donnie T, man. This guy is so funny when he says stuff. I think he's pretty entertaining, for lack of better words. But Donnie T said what he said. He's vowing to make America the world capital for Bitcoin and crypto. Is this something that's bullish for the industry? I would say yes, because we do have the other side of the aisle, Kamala, which, again, who knows what the grand plan is? Because we don't know it. We don't know it. Kamala apparently has crypto for Kamala, not Kamala for crypto, which should it be that way? I don't know. But they have crypto for Kamala. Is Kamala going to say something about Bitcoin and crypto at any point? Has she really said anything, period? Not much. I don't know. And so I'm going to tell you guys, please smash the likes. Share this out with friends. I see a lot of people, even Andy says that even Mark Cuban is against Kamala's unrealized tax plan, which, again, is true because even Mark Cuban said that it would kill the economy. Let me see if I can actually pull up that video. I think it was all over Twitter and stuff like that. But I have the article if we want to dive into that really quick before we get into the Kamala news. So I have the article. There we go. So Mark Cuban, who is a Kamala fan, is saying that her unrealized tax gains are not going to happen, which I think is hilarious. He insisted that she would not tax unrealized gains as president. And he said every conversation I've had is that it's not going to happen. But he claims he speaks with her team quite frequently. And so I don't really know what he thinks is going to happen, but it's exactly what they said they would do. And what is the 45% tax? What is that? I mean, listen, we're already paying taxes on our money to be able to buy Bitcoin. And then you're going to tax us on any gains that we got? Even unrealized freaking gains that we don't even have yet? What? Damn! It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. That's the definition of hucksters. Fraudsters.
Fraudsters.
Scam artists.
Scam artists.
Ponzi
schemes.
Michael Cartwright says the truth. Unrealized income tax is savings wiped out, period, full story. Yes. Guys, give me those Gary Gensler emojis. Give me those Gary Gensler freaking emojis right now because I am PO'd. I am PO'd about this. Like, you think that she's not going to tax? Oh, that's the plan. All they want is our money. That's what it's always been about, is our money. Yeah, that's what I hear from that side. As we're looking at the news, catching up on that. So we do have the fact that Mark Cuban is, oh my gosh, I'm defending Kamala, to now, I don't know about her taxes. I don't think she's actually going to do it. I'm not sure about that. Either way, again, this is just what is the news. I'm only reporting on news. Left, right, the middle, purple, yellow, rainbow, I don't care. But I'm just reporting on the news. I don't care what party. I don't care what side of the aisle. It's just what's happening. Now, people were saying that Kamala is accepting crypto donations for her campaign. Thing is, it's not actually her accepting the donations. It's a PAC, according to Coinbase. Listen up. Here's the real news. Right here. A Coinbase executive appears to have misspoken or been imprecise when he said that Kamala is accepting those crypto donations. And the chief financial officer said Kamala is accepting donations and using Coinbase Commerce now to accept crypto for her campaign. But according to a Coinbase spokesperson, they were referring to the Future Forward USA PAC, not her campaign. So they could take your money, friends, but not directly, into a super PAC. So they said Coinbase can confirm that the Future Forward PAC has onboarded with Coinbase Commerce to accept crypto donations. And we see that we have crypto for Kamala in the States, but we do not see anything really happening from that. But we do know that Future Forward is a hybrid PAC. First used for buy that can contribute directly to the campaign or pay for independent advertising that's not coordinated with Kamala. Her campaign website does not offer ways to donate in crypto. An advocacy group, Crypto for Kamala, told Fortune it was not aware of the development. So again, they're willing to take your crypto, but only the PAC and not Kamala herself, which I think says a lot about the situation. Wouldn't you think that they would just accept it directly and try to garner some votes and maybe some public happiness by accepting those crypto donations? Is she really appealing to the crypto people? Absolutely not. And you know Donnie T is, and you know that's a big part of the campaign at the moment. People know that in crypto, there are a lot of single issue voters, and they're going to vote for whoever is going to help them with crypto. And it seems as though one side is doing it, the other is not. And again, we still have time. What is it? It's almost mid-September. It's September 6th. So do we have a lot of time left for Kamala to get her sheesh together on the crypto end? I'm really not sure. I'm really not sure. Now I'm looking at the chat right now. Hello everyone. Lee, nice to see you. We got Bryce, Laser, Sharam, Wifey, and Sir Wick. I hope you guys are feeling better. Can you let me know in the chat if you're feeling better? I know you guys were saying you had some illness going on. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing all right. Hello, all set, lasers, everyone. Hello. Mr. Bone, hello, nice to see you. All right, beautiful. David G said choke point 3.1. Absolutely, that's the plan, is the Operation Choke Point. Why do you think they did that? Because they were making the way for ETFs and the CBDC. That's it. More Kamala news that absolutely shook everybody this morning. They were, oh no. Oh.
No, God!
This is really how people were acting this morning. No.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
I love that sound. What were people upset about this? What were people upset about this morning? And I'll tell you. What were they upset about? They were upset about Ripple co-founders signing a letter endorsing Kamala. What? What? How dare you? Greta said it. Greta said it for the crypto community that was losing their noodles this morning. The Ripple co-founder, take a gander. They signed a letter. This was Chris Larson, the co-founder and executive chairman at Ripple, signed a letter endorsing Kamala for the winner of the marathon. The report cited a letter signed by 88 corporate leaders in the U.S. and mentioned other prominent signees, including the co-founder and CEO of enterprise cloud company Box, Yelp CEO, do you guys use Yelp? Put a 1 or a yes emoji or 2 and a no emoji. Do you use Yelp? I would like to know. The Snap chairman and the 21st Century Fox CEO, James Murdoch, and others. So, guys, I don't know. Snapchat. I also have some mixed feelings about Snapchat because they have this AI that, like, you take a picture of yourself or your room and it scans exactly what's in your room and it'll ask you why a window's open. It'll be like, why are you wearing that shirt? It doesn't really look good on you. That's what the AI on Snapchat does, and to me, that's a little sus. Anyway, ex-Ripple board member joined the Kamala campaign as well. But you do see that the former Ripple board member, Gene Sperling, left the White House to join Kamala's campaign. Cannot believe this one. That one's pretty wild. And it comes shortly after Gene left to go there in early August. So since joining Ripple's board in 2015, Gene Sperling has served as an economic advisor under Bill Clinton and Barack Obama in Bye-Bye's administration since 2021. He's not the only advisor with a crypto background that moved to support the Kamala campaign. It's David Plouffe, a former advisor to Binance and the crypto payments provider Alchemy Pay, also joined the campaign, according to a Politico report on August 7th. So we do see that also that Brad Garlinghouse and others do believe that Gary Gensler will step down once Donnie T steps in. Although we do know that when Donnie T was in Nashville, he said himself that he was going to fire Gary Gensler on day one. So make sure you guys put those fire Gary Gensler emojis, fire emoji, Gary Gensler emoji, emoji. So that's really what we got going on here with the Kamala end of things. So Kamala is building up some support in crypto, and people are upset about the Ripple connection. But at the end of the day, this person is very much involved in the past administrations, which would make you think that, is this going to be someone that helps crypto? Well, if they're a part of Ripple, it's a little bit suspect because, you know, Ripple, XRP, is setting you up for CBDCs. They're setting you up for a stablecoin. And we all know how centralized, we all know how crazy controlled that stablecoin is going to be. So I'm letting y'all know right now that it's going to get a little bit dicey. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Now, speaking of CBDCs, speaking of master plans, we do have Visa and Santander that were selected by Brazil's central bank for a second phase of its CBDC pilot. I'm going to sit back and tell you guys I'm upset. I'm upset. Why am I upset? Because the whole master plan with Visa and all these service providers, we're just here. We're just here for development. Bruh, let's get real, friends. The fact of the matter is that they care about their money. The fact of the matter is that they are setting you up for that one world currency, CBDCs. And we've been talking about it for years, for a long time. Now, let's go back on the Visa stuff. Well, you could also start off with Brazil. What's going on with Brazil? And now the thing that's going on with Brazil, my friends, is that they want CBDCs. They want to control everybody because what just happened? They banned X in Brazil. They also were telling Starlink to not have X allowed in Brazil. They also stole and froze Starlink's assets. And how is that fair? It's because it's not a real democracy. We need democracy. We need to be able to have votes and human rights that are able to prosper in these countries, and darn it, they don't. And darn it, they don't. So Brazil is on this rip and tear right now because they want to control everyone and their mother. And then we have Visa, which we could go back to I don't even know when this article came out. It was like probably 2021 already that this came out, where they were talking about account abstraction. Take a look. Oh, look, Catherine Gu, my favorite girl on the X.com, where Visa is working on account abstraction. Smart contracts implemented into automated programmable payments. Let me break down what account abstraction is. Account abstraction is where you give your private keys to someone like Visa, someone like Mastercard, your own bank, so that way they could just do automatic payments. Account recovery. Absolutely not, because we'll find a way to be able to send payments automatically with smart contracts. It has nothing to do with a centralized entity. We will figure it out. 2, why are we giving away our private keys to somebody else for account recovery? We're here to be our own bank. Nothing more, nothing less. And they want to take everything from you. Everything. What if they stop your payments? What if they freeze your wallet? What if because they have these keys that they just take it all away from you? That's dangerous. That's conniving. That makes me feel like I need a darn shower because I feel dirty. And so you could also look at this other article. So Catherine Gu is the head of CBDCs for Visa. She'll never ever say that she is the head of CBDCs on X. She's just a part of the digital payments team. Absolute. Oh, I don't even know where my bleep sound is because I would say a cuss word right now. But here we go. She was saying that, again, they wrote this article, contract account, that there's going to be 2 types of accounts, It's all a trap to make it sound so good, and it's not. And they talk about account abstraction here. Multi-owner accounts via multi-sig, public account, anyone can make a transaction, all these types of things. But none of this is okay. None of this is okay. You even look about what is account abstraction, and they even talk about, again, ERC 44337. This is the standard for it. And so you can even scroll down, and it says, like, between these 2 articles, it talks about Consensus that they work with. Consensus is the parent company of MetaMask. So all these people that you think would be fighting for crypto and fighting for freedom, they're actually working with the other side. So, I mean, I love MetaMask. I think it enables a lot of really good stuff. But at the end of the day, why in the world would MetaMask be doing this to us? Why would they want to give it all up? Makes you ask a few real questions there. Listen, I'll still use MetaMask, but am I using account abstraction? Am I ever going to give my private keys away? Absolutely freaking not. No, not to these hucksters. So that's the background on MetaMask. So, and Visa. So really quickly, let's go into the article here. Boop-boo-doo. All right, we see here, BCB, the Brazilian Central Bank, selected on Wednesday, 13 participants for the second part of its CBDC pilot. The BCB and Brazil's SEC, which is their CVM, received 42 proposals for the second phase of the pilot, and they'll oversee 11 projects, the BCB, and the CVM will supervise 2. The BCB, the central bank, said in the second phase of testing, the infrastructure created for the pilot will test the implementation of financial services available through smart contracts created and managed by third parties in the participating platform. So even there, you see, what is she talking about? What are they talking about from the central bank? Programmability. They're talking about smart contracts. Doesn't that add up to everything I just told you about account abstraction, that they're going to use smart contracts for CBDCs or account abstraction? Get out of here. This is why we look back. This is why we remember. This is why, my friends, you have to realize and put things together from the past. Guys, please smash the like, share it out. Give me a like count in the chat. Let's get those 150 likes for a rave. The list of selected participants includes Visa, that will work alongside Brazilian brokerage XP and Nubank to optimize the foreign exchange market. Santander was selected to work on a project involving automobile operations, and another focused on lending and decarbonization. hold on, let's stop. Decarbonization. What does that mean? CBDCs, social credit score.
How dare you?
That's where Greta comes in. Greta. That's what they want. Social credit scores. So it's connected to your CBDC. And like I said, I've met people from Hong Kong. I've met kids from these countries that have the social credit score. And if your credit score goes down to a certain level, you are not allowed to buy anything. You can't do anything. And all for the carbon credits. And what if I walked an extra mile today? What if I took my car an extra block that I wasn't supposed to? Oh no, too many carbon credits. Let's freeze your money today. It's absolute garbage. Absolute garbage. Thank you guys. Oh my gosh. Hello, everyone. You guys are such sweeties in the chat. My gosh. Wifey likes the set. Thank you very much. The Doom Gnome, make it go away, Michael said. Michael Cartwright's really funny. Randy A, nice to see you. Yeah, listen, we got pressure out here. Pressure for sure. Everlasting Bliss, nice to see you. Davos, Wef, Ripple, CBDC, now Mr. Garlinghouse, all connected. That's what I've been saying, Bliss. That's what I've been saying for years. And listen, people could get upset, and that's totally cool, but like the facts are the facts. And listen, I always tell people, you do what you want with your money. The whole reason why we're in crypto is that you choose to buy something, sell something, and you own it. That's beautiful. If people want to buy XRP, go do it. If you want to sell XRP, go do it. It's not my business. It's yours. At the end of the day, I know what the problem is. I know that Brad G is connected to the WEF. I know that they're supportive of Ripple because, again, what is Ripple working on? CBDCs, working with private banks, working on permissioned blockchains that take away every single freedom that Bitcoin gives you. So, it is what it is. If you want to try to make your gains off of that, if you want to give liquidity to that, then I guess that's the way it goes. But I do know that Brad G and his boys, they do happen to dump XRP to stabilize the price. So, and you guys could look it up too, how often they sell XRP and add more into the market or whatever they do. It's literally to flatten the price. So to me, it's hard to even make gains on XRP when they're always going to be dumping more on the market for you. So that's just me saying my piece. But at the end of the day, it's not even my opinion. It's just what the facts are. So I don't want to upset anybody, but it's just the facts. And if you want to, again, do what you want with your money, then absolutely do that. However, we're going to talk about Mastercard right now, and we're going to talk about how they are enabling a non-custodial crypto partnership. And if you look at Mastercard, guys, look at Mastercard. Mastercard is crazy. You think Visa's crazy? So is Mastercard, because they're working on account abstraction. They're also working with the Reserve Bank of Australia on CBDCs. So none of this is surprising to me that they're going to try to get their hands on crypto. They've had their hands in crypto for a while, but now they're trying to pull this non-custodial stuff. What's going on? What's happening? I'm going to break it down. Again, please make sure you're smashing the likes. We have 112 likes. We're trying to get 150 for a rave today. All right, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. All right. The global payment giant Mastercard is expanding its support for non-custodial cryptocurrency wallets in a new collaboration that enables users to spend crypto stored via your self-custody. After piloting a crypto debit card with MetaMask in August, again, we know what MetaMask is up to, but again, we all use it. Mastercard's new partnership with the European crypto payments infrastructure provider Mercurio will further connect traditional finance and crypto. Mastercard has enabled a new euro-denominated debit card that allows users to spend crypto like Bitcoin stored on self-custodial wallets at more than 100 merchants in the Mastercard network. Now, if you look at Mastercard, if you look at MetaMask, MetaMask is already partnered with PayPal. So I believe if you go on PayPal right now, at least the last time I checked on desktop, then you are able to connect your MetaMask to it and be able to kind of on and off ramp your crypto. So make sure that, again, everything's in your wallet, but if you're connecting your wallet to something like PayPal, you have to know the risk associated with it. I haven't done it personally. I won't do it, but if you guys know the process of how it works to connect your wallet to MetaMask, and if they're just giving you a screen for permissions, or if they're actually asking for your recovery phrases. So if anyone has info on that, please make sure you let me know. But the self-custody is obviously one of the things we care most about it. And looking here, according to the senior vice president of Mastercard's crypto and fintech enablement, the firm's collaboration with Mercurio builds on its growing commitment to supporting self-custody wallets. They said at Mastercard, we're working closely with partners to innovate and enhance self-custody wallet experience. He said, through our collaboration, we're eliminating the traditional barriers between blockchain and conventional payments, providing users and consumers who want to spend their digital assets with an easy, reliable, secure way to do so anywhere Mastercard is accepted. Is this good for adoption? I would say slightly. Yeah. I would say slightly. I mean, man, I think we're doing like okay with self-custody. Do we need like a little card, little tappity-doo? Yeah, man. Yeah, I don't mind. As long as I have control over my money, and I know that once I have, maybe you load up your card with a certain amount of crypto, which then you spend, that's fine to me. But as long as you don't have your hands on my whole bag, that's what I care about. I don't want people touching my money. I don't want people having control over my life. So this whole thing, I would like to see how it works and how it connects. If we have any Euro friends, then please make sure you guys check this out for me and let me know what you guys think and give me some reviews. In the Moment says, love the new setup. Andy said, Randy's killing it today. My respect. Oh, well, darn, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, yes.
Satoshi Sean said, yeah, she's off and running. Satoshi Sean? Oh, Satoshi Sean, man. Don't sleep on Satoshi Sean. He is so amazing, and I appreciate him.
Yeehaw! Yeehaw!
Oh, my gosh.
Bing bong.
Bing bong. Mar said, more banks should follow the lead and introduce Bitcoin on bank cards. I would agree with that. Trapper, what's up, Trapper? Hi, everyone in the chat. Hello. Hello. Welcome. Mr. Bone said he subscribed on X. Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. How many likes do we have? I want to see if we have 150. I want to rave. We have like a nice mix that Zoltan made for us. Right, Sebi? Hi, Sebi. Arriba. Laser's like, Arriba. Sheep Toshi is over here too. Hello, Sheep Toshi. He said Swift. Or is this Taylor Swift? Is this all the other things? Jim. Hello, Jim, my Belgian friend. Nice to see you. Oh my gosh. Hi, everyone. I want to say hi to all the people I didn't say hi to today. We have Nas. Hello. Nice to see you. Caffeinated is here. I said hi to True earlier. Who else? Lord of Cages. Nice to see you. Boo-doo-doo. Bryce Waterhouse. Talking about George Orwell. Good stuff. JP Trees. Nice to see you. Welcome to the chat. Who else is here? I think I got everyone. Diamond Hands. Hi. Ron Beal. What's up? Hi, everyone. Rod Potts, hello. Financial Failure is here. Wow, we have some beautiful people here today. Thank you guys for joining us. Lasers Ghost people use Yelp. I didn't know that. That's actually really funny, dude. I mean, when I look up restaurants on Apple Maps, they show me Yelp, which I don't really know. I usually, like, when I'm looking for reviews on a place, I'm really going straight to Google, and I go on the Google reviews because I feel like those are very active. And if you drop a review on Google reviews, then they let you know that you're gaining them tractions over there. They'll be like, oh my gosh, you have so many views, put more reviews, and then you become like a serial reviewer, right, Raul? Who else we got out here? You guys are absolutely gorgeous. Terry Ray, apologize, thought that was an E. We have Terry. Hello, Terry Tar. Listen, my friends, we need to make sure we're subscribing to the channel. Oh, poop, I hit my little Mikey poo. Let's see how many subscribers we have this morning. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, we're almost to our goal. Please make sure you smash the like, share it out. Let's go. Hold on.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
All right. Someone you think might like it too. Alexandra G says she uses Yelp a lot. Andy says Yelp and Travelocity suck. Oh my gosh, Potato in the new studio. I don't know if I have Potato on here. That's a good question. Yeah, there's a few of them that I just have to organize them, and pretty much that's it. But again, this is a new set that I'm working with here for Fridays, and so we'll work on it. Definitely we'll work on it. I think I could pull it up here. Hold on. Boop, boop, doo. Okay, hold on. We'll get a potato for you. We're gonna get a potato, don't worry. Okay, hold on. I got it. Hold on.
A potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse
There you go. No, I don't want to catch any sheesh from you, bro. Here's another one.
A potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse
See? There you go. There you go. I'm going to make sure I download it on this computer really quick. But yeah, we're going to download that. Don't worry about it. Do not fret, my friend. We're going to get all the sounds down here. What else? Potato for mental health is much needed. Thank you. You're welcome. Hi, Keen Bean. Lasers row, yes. You guys are too cool, bro. You guys are way too cool. Guys, please make sure, again, you're smashing the likes. We're subscribing to the channel. Let me see something really quick. I want to see the like count myself because I keep refreshing. I keep forgetting to look because I'm such a doo-to-doo today. I'm just a little thrown off, my friends. We have 125 likes. Oh, boy, much wow. Jay says, and I agree. Hello, Jay. Hi, everyone. Hello, friends and family. Wick says we call our puppy Papa Bonita, so I appreciate hashtag potato. Oh, that's so cute. Papa Bonita. Do you guys know the song by Madonna, La Isla Bonita? I love this. And when the sun will fade, the sun will set so high, ring through my ears and sting my eyes, the Spanish lullaby. I haven't listened to that song in years, so I apologize if the lyrics were wrong, but I love that song. Oh my gosh. So Mars says, my prediction is when Wall Street closes in 4 hours, it might be a positive uptrend, but the down pressure will probably last throughout the weekend. So don't go all in, keep some leverage free. I mean, listen, man, there's really not much liquidity going on. I mean, listen, there's some, but I think the whole stock market is a mess. And you know why it's a mess? Because our economy is absolutely messed up right now. And we need someone to fix it. We need the economy to get fixed. I'm just wondering when that's going to happen. Also, guys, we have Uniswap. As you guys are smashing the likes, I'm waiting for 150. I'm not messing around today. Before I start talking smack about my weekend and stuff, we got Uniswap, and I think that this is actually really important to talk about, that they settled CFTC charges over illegal margin products. Again, this is a decentralized exchange. How in the world do these people have the jurisdiction to come after Uniswap? That's something I need to know right now, because there are people all over the world that use this platform, and people in the United States, but you know what? They're anonymous. Uniswap is going to pay $175,000 to settle charges with the CFTC over illegal leveraged and margined commodities transactions. Uniswap developed a user interface and a set of smart contracts that lets users trade on the platform. This includes tokens developed by third parties, meaning people who don't work for Uniswap, that expose investors to margined or leveraged returns against the price of Bitcoin and ETH. Now, let me ask you guys a quick question. If the CFTC is coming after Uniswap now, and people think the CFTC is going to take power from the SEC and save us all, but are they really going to do that when they're coming after Uniswap now? If Kamala continues another 4 years, is the CFTC really going to be on our side? And if Donnie T, let's say he wins the marathon in November, Is he going to have the SEC and the CFTC have their sheets checked? Well, I sure hope so. Continuing. If this ad goes away, thank you. Thank you. Here's the quotation from the filings. During the relevant period, the digital assets traded on the protocol through the interface included a limited number of leveraged tokens, which provided users approximately 2-to-1 leverage exposure to digital assets such as ETH and Bitcoin, both commodities in interstate commerce. Now, let me also say, what are the number of leveraged tokens? Which tokens? And why can't we trade them freely on, again, a decentralized exchange? This is, again, super sus and not clear at all. Is Emma in the house? Emma is in the house. But the thing is, we don't have enough likes to get her here. So if we don't get at least 135 likes, there's no way Emma's coming on the show. And she wants to. She's sitting there. She's on the, maybe not. She's on the couch. She looks really comfy. Emma's sprawled out right now on the couch on the chat. So maybe she can't come on. Maybe she won't. But I think you guys need to bribe her with likes. That's the problem. Right, Nirvana Replica? All right? I think there's a few people in there that do not have, even with no membership. Guys, we need membershipery. Make sure to grab some membershiperies out here. They say that Uniswap did not register as a designated designated contract market with the CFTC and was not allowed to offer leveraged trading products as a result, they said. This to me is garbage. So they say Uniswap to block people from trading certain tokens. But you know what? That should never happen if we live in a free market, in a free country that wants to have a free market. Absolutely not. This is absolutely ludicrous to me. Sorry about it. Emma be couch shopping on Amazon. She is. Emma likes to shop on Amazon. She does. That's just something she does, right, Rob C? She shops on Amazon. My dad likes to shop on Amazon. I think people really, I'm not saying them in particular, but I do think that people have a big Amazon addiction. I see people getting loads of boxes, every day from Amazon. And to me, that's crazy. How much money are you spending on packages from Amazon? I don't know. Mark Smithson. Sometimes I see Mark Smithson's comments and I just can't. I absolutely can't. No also makes me crack up in the chat. Emma with tool in the corner. I can't, dude. Oh my gosh. Emma is comfy right now. She don't let her fool you. Emma's very comfy. There in the Sarasota club down here, there's how many couches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's at least 6 couches. That doesn't even include chairs. There's over a dozen chairs, and some of them are padded. Some of them are regular chairs, at a dinner table. But Emma has a wide variety of places to sit. She's very comfy. Michael Cartwright with 5 more memberships. Hold on, pump it the frick up. Pump it up, pump it up. My instance, where's my freaking pump it up sound? Oh my god. Let's see, I'm getting pump it up. Ooh, that one's freaking ham.
Pump the jam, pump it up.
Oh, I don't like that one. Thank you, Michael Cartwright. You freaking legend. Thank you. Michael Cartwright's here for us today. He said, Randy said there's no memberships. I'm going to give memberships. Yeah. Hee hee.
Oh, yes.
Noctis says, wow, I'm late. You are not late. You are on time for Love and Zest. And that's all we'd like to do in this place. That's really what we like to do. Now, I don't know. Do we have 135 likes? Crypto D says, great show, Randy. Off to work. New studio. Looks dope. Well, thank you very much. So next Friday, I would be back here. But the problem is I'm not going to be here next Friday. So Friday might be difficult for me to do a stream because I'm going to be away. I'm not going to be in town. But Thursday I plan on streaming and Monday. So Friday might be an issue for me, guys, but I'm going to let you know. Bulldog, did you say memberships are ended? No, memberships are still here. But Michael Cartwright just gave out 5. So 19 more likes. Oh my gosh, guys, 19 more likes. We need that now. We need those likes so we could rave. We have 131 likes. Oh boy, oh boy. You seem like you're casting for a scene. Well, listen, man, we're on like a beautiful road right now. We're on like this beautiful, like, you know, rainbow yellow brick road type thing where we're just like embracing ourselves, you know? We're embracing like this new beautiful scene that is called crypto. Look at Bitcoin, everlasting bliss. I think you missed my charts at the beginning, but I'll go back to it for you. Give me a second. I'm pulling up Bitcoin. This trading view. Okay. So I made like a whole drawing before, which isn't here now, but we do have Bitcoin today that's sitting at around 50. Ooh, I'm sorry, that was the wrong screen. At around $54,000. Again, we have a cup and handle, sort of on the daily, but really the cup and handle I think is more on the weekly, which even that one is a little bit of a stretch, but I don't really think so. I mean, that's a really nice cup and handle on the weekly. And again, this goes back to the highs of 2021. I know it's not greatly drawn, but bear with me on that. We're at around 54K, but listen, if let's say this handle goes even deeper, people would be happier if the handle went deeper, which would probably bring you to that $40,000 range. And that's exactly where Gio wants us to go because he's not short just physically, but also mentally with Bitcoin. So again, 40K is maybe where the handle goes down to, but I can't really guarantee that. I don't know what happens with life, you know? I don't have a crystal ball and things like that. But your bullish scenario for Bitcoin, besides, of course, 71K, is 56. We need to get 56K. Also, I didn't go over Dogecoin before. Let's go to Doge really quick. Dogecoiny corn. Doji freaking corn. All right, so Doge is below that 9.5 cents, which I know you guys aren't happy about. And listen, I can't say I'm the happiest gal in the world with that either. But we do know that we need a few more likes for a rave, and so I'm going to talk about charts for a minute. Dogecoin, man, scary because 8 cents is I told you guys, 8 cents is the bearish scenario. Where's 8 cents? Around right here. 8 cents is your bearish scenario. Bullish, though. You really want to reclaim 10.5, or even you could say 10.5 right here, or 11 cents. And then 12.25 is really where you want to be to. So these are the levels to watch for Dogecoin. So Mark Smithson goes 12K Bitcoin by Sunday. Book it. I can't, dude. Stop it. Stop it. Sound is a little off. Emma, how's the sound? Can you give me a sound check? Sound check. Baby, it's sound check. Oh, I think it might be your audio, Animal, but thank you. I'll focus. I think we'll do more audio checks next time. But I know at the beginning it was a little bit heavy on the gains, but all right, let's see. Should we get Emma on the stream, and then maybe that'll entice y'all to smash the like so we can rave? Let's see. Do we want Emma on the stream? We're at 134 likes. We need 15 more, 16 more. I could do math. Guys, do we want to see Emma? Put in Emma emoji. We need Emmas all over the chat. If you guys don't have emojis, you need emojis. So you could show me Emmas. Before Emma, we could go to XRP because I know someone just requested it. So Andy S. talking about XRP. We know what we're looking at with XRP, which is the bullish of 64 cents right over here. Sorry, I'm not like as accurate as usual. But 64 cents is your bullish scenario. 54 was your bearish, but now we are below the 54 cents. So we're looking even more so at around 48, 49, or even lower, you could say, at 42 cents. So that's really what we're looking at. So your neutral/bullish level now is 54 cents. Below that, your bearish is 42. Could you claim like maybe around 48? Yeah, You could say that because it makes sense. Sorry. There you go. You could say around 48 cents too, because that, if you, again, you zoom out on the charts, it makes sense, like going all the way back. So yeah, I mean, before that low over here, 42, look at 48 cents and see if that's something that entices you at all. But those are just levels to watch for XRP. Andy goes, wow, XRP moves so much. I know, isn't that freaking funny? Poor XRP, man. Poor XRP. I mean, listen, man, there's a lot of stuff that isn't moving right now. And Bitcoin's been in the same range for 6 months. So I think if Bitcoin's ranging like that, then that's how you know. We need time in the market. We need to be able to, like, have patience, keep calm, and freaking hodl on. People rush, and there's no reason for that. Like, why are you going to rush perfection? Pressure makes diamonds, baby. Or maybe Zoltanites, because we love Zoltanite. If you guys do not know what Zoltanite is, it's the best gemstone, only 4-color changing gemstone in the whole world. And I want a beautiful fat ring one day with Zoltanite, or even a pendant, maybe earrings. I don't know. Whatever has Zoltanite in it, I want it. So red, white, and blue. Yes. My dad says I did some back exercises, ready to rave. This man, you know what? This man exercises by lifting groceries. He's lifting them groceries from Publix into the car and then into the house. I worked out 2 days in a row. I didn't even do a rest day, which was bad, but I needed to work out yesterday. The 2 days before me and Emma, we did an ab day. And then yesterday was day 1 of arms. Tomorrow we'll do another arm day because we're going to be tired today. I might actually go line dancing tonight, which would be fun. But we're going to bring Emma because I want to ask Emma, are you down to line dance? Emma, bring your booty up here. See if you could plop yourself into this chair with me.
I can fit.
So, Emma, you have to talk in. I didn't almost knock that over.
No.
Emma, my friend, how do you feel today?
I feel quite good. I love the studio. It's so professional, nice. I really enjoy it here.
I mean, listen, how do you feel about our gym days?
I feel like we're actually really on the grind right now. We're doing really well. We went 2 days in a row. We did a cardio and abs day, and then we did yesterday a chest and arm day, and a little bit of abs in there.
I mean, listen, man, like we did like a nice amount, and I'm definitely like burning up a storm. But how do you feel about line dancing?
I actually really enjoyed it. I went once and I really enjoyed it. Did I dance? No. Do I want to? Maybe. But, I really had to feel the vibe, and it's like really wholesome. It's really wholesome, and I didn't expect that, but like I really enjoyed that.
Guys, we need 11 more likes to rave, and we better be getting there because Emma might line dance one day. And if I do capture a video of her doing that, I'm sending it to Discord.
No.
I mean, listen,
No.
like, I think line dancing is fun. I think it's kind of like you're unleashing a little bit, but like in an appropriate way,
No, yeah, I really enjoyed like everyone with their boots and hat, and like, they really just were doing the moves. I didn't know it was like a set line dance. Like every line dance was different. I thought there was like a basics where like everyone follows, a certain beat, number, whatever. Like, I don't know. I didn't think it was a different dance for each one. You really got to memorize this stuff.
Yeah, I definitely like realized very quick each song is different. And sometimes there's rap songs. Sometimes there's,
Ed Sheeran.
Sometimes it's Taylor Swift, which I know Mr. Yee loves in the chat. So, yeah, we experienced a lot, but I'm trying to learn a few of them. I'm trying to like step up my game because I realized last week that it's actually pretty serious. And
it is serious.
we met a bunch of people from the place like that we went to, and I was just like, wow, man, like I absolutely love this thing. And so we were just like talking with a lot of people. I had my boots on last week.
What was the one quote everyone kept repeating? That you just got to get out there.
Yeah, you just got to get down there, man. And
like,
just
you can't be afraid of looking like stupid. You just got to really get out there and do it.
Exactly. So like I'm kind of like the first time I went, I was a little like meh, but then I had a friend with me that was like, girl, go hit the flow. And so I did exactly that. And so it was one of like the best experiences ever. And then we went again last week. Me and Emma, I brought Emma for the first time, and she was shook. Emma was like, I didn't know it was that zesty. So we definitely like met a lot of people. It was super fun. And we're going to hit the line dance. But I know that we want to rave here. I know that we only have 141 likes, but do we just say, frick it all, and rave, and maybe they'll just give us the 150 likes at the end?
I don't know.
What if we do something cool that everyone stop now what you're doing. Look at the screen. Look at the darn screen. You look at me. Look at me. On the count, wait, when I go to zero, or hit like, or say like, you're gonna hit that like. You could caress it like this. You could smash it like that. Or
a gentle little tap.
Or just like a little swipe. So, ready? You're gonna do it. 5, a foe, 3, 2.5. See my half? It's 2.5. 2, 1.5. 1. Smash the like, yeah! Smash the like, yeah!
My eardrum.
Now you guys see that we have some lights going on, and that is because we're ready to rave. Now, Zoltan, do we have the audio on here on the deck, or techno? Oh, I see it over here. Yeah. All right, got you. Ready, guys? Ready? No, that Michael. No, Michael. No, my fingers are just weird. No.
No. No.
Guys, ready for the rave? If you're ready for the rave, write rave in the chat. I need to see multiple raves. If I don't see the word rave in the chat, then someone's gonna catch these little hands. All right?
Let's not get violent.
All right, so I won't get violent. Maybe I'll just hit Emma. Maybe that'll work. Why? Oh, friends, if you're ready for the rave, write rave in the chat. I need to see the word rave. I need to see 6 likes now. Ready? Mysterious, isn't it? Isn't that so mysterious? All right, we're gonna rave. Ready, 5, 4.
Oh, I need to get accessories.
Yeah, get your accessories. Okay, ready, steady. Okay. Oh, you're. Okay, you ready? You're putting my stuff down. Okay, go. 1. Wow.
Is that zesty?
Wow, I love that. Freaking darn. Let's do another one. Are you ready for a round 2? We do have another rave. We have more songs. Do you guys want an encore rave? An encore rave now. Michael Cartwright gave us memberships. That means we need an encore. Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Are we raving? Oh boy, we have another song. Are we ready? Do we need an encore before we go into the weekend? Let's go.
This is like chilling on a rooftop in like Miami.
Let's try this one. Oh, I love this one. Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
Did I feel like I was getting tossed around a little bit? Yes. Yes, I did.
That was so amazing. I absolutely love that. Freaking darn, man. How do you guys feel? Oh, thank you. Morning parties are the best, Mont says. I agree with that 100%.
Start off your day strong.
We have one more like till we have 150. Dude, are we not pumping this up? Because I'll beat you up. I'll beat someone up.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh gosh, that was awesome. Good music, Lord of Cages says.
It is good music. Those were fire.
You could also thank Zoltan because he's done custom mixes for us for the raves.
Zoltan is the man. We need a round of applause for Zoltan.
Freaking, yeah, claps for freaking Zoltan.
Zoltan gets all the love. He did this whole set. The cameras are fire. Cameras are fire. Zoltan is fire.
Woohoo! Yes, I freaking love Zoltan. And guys, we are pumped right now. We have over 150 likes. Guys, we are really like killing the game over here. You guys are super amazing. And again, thank you guys for your for being patient with me, especially through yesterday where I was struggling a little bit. But today we just ended this with such good vibes. And we do have 17,072 subscribers. We were almost at our goal today, but I believe we will get more soon. So please make sure you're smashing the like, subscribing to the channel.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Also, thank you to Volduck Eric that just gifted 10 memberships.
Wow.
Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you. Aw, freaking Eric, man. What a G. What a G. I appreciate him more than he understands. Bulldog Eric has been with me for years now. Helps me with everything that I need. I hit him up and I'm like, Eric, I have a question. He answers the darn question. He helps me out all the time. And I appreciate that, man. He's done a lot for me. So thank you, Eric. Invested Crypto says, GM. Hello, my friends. Listen, guys, like we do have a lot of stuff coming up. Next week's going to be crazy. And so we'll just be able to get after it, man. We're going to get after it next week. We're going to be really busy. I do have some, and I'll tell you more about what I'm doing next week. But yes. But yeah, we're going to be really busy. And I'm very excited, though, because we have really good things going on, and I'm trying to help people and just do good things. So that's what we're out here for, and that's all I want to do is spread love. And, guys, life goes fast, and life is crazy. But we're killing the game, man. We are killing it. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And again, if you haven't yet, smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. And I'm so happy we got to rave today. I'm so happy that our disco lights are popping right now. And if you guys have any suggestions as to what you would like to see the next time I'm in the studio, then make sure you wait for the stream to end and then you comment down below. And if you have any thoughts anywhere, and if you have any things you want to say directly to me, then hop in the Discord or the Telegram. That's where you can easily tag me and I should be able to see it right away. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And if you haven't yet, please smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends. Have an amazing weekend. Happy Friday. And as always, stay zesty. Peace. Oh, wait, shoot. Lord of Cages, his 10th ever super chat saying, for the vibes. Aw, thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you, Lord of Cages. Have a great day. I appreciate every single one of you. Again, smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends. And as always, stay zesty.
Bye.
Bye.